All right, guys, welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back, TikTok. I hope y'all guys are having an amazing trading day. So today I have two trades to show y'all. I have a trade on the ES1 and I have a trade on BTC USD. So yeah, hopefully this December price action ain't killing y'all. And it typically gets pretty bad 2 weeks before and the week of Christmas. So let's pretty much get into it. So let's look at ES first. All right, so ES here. Pretty much what I'm looking at here. Manipulation during news. So we got news today. And I just want something to support my bullish bias because today I did have a bullish bias here. So these candles here are pretty much supporting my bullish bias there. So I'm looking at that. That's going through my head at the time. And I just wanted a retracement just so I can get a better entry. So this candle was pretty much trending downwards and I was almost certain that it was going to close bearish there. So I entered, and of course the candle decides to close bullish, but that also kind of helps me in a sense because my bias is bullish there, and this is currently a break of structure, and this also classifies as my entry as a order block. Well, not an order block, a breaker block, a failed order block in a way, because that's how a lot of people kind of teach it. So I entered off of a breaker block and a breaker structure, and this is also kind of a gap in the candles, so fair value gap as well. And as them paired together, they pretty much support my bias. So my internet was not working during this trade as well. So when I tried to set my because I had a trailing stop loss, I tried to set it somewhere in this area right here, and that thing would not set. So that's kind of why I kind of sold off early, since my stop loss just wouldn't place. Like it kept saying failed. So and then my screen decides to not work. Like my screen freezes. So as soon as it comes back on and I can actually press it, I immediately close the trade because um it would just rip and I would lose money. So that's kind of why I sold early. I would have definitely held through. So that's why I could sold right there. So just in case you're wondering. All right, so let's kind of move over to BTC USD here. All right, so I have a bearish SMT right here, and then I have a inverse for value gap, and that's where I entered right there. So bearish SMT looking at 4-hour highs and lows here. So this is a 4-hour high. It's also another 4-hour high, and I think I was looking at like 1-hour highs as well. So yeah, this is a 1-hour bearish SMT. If I can actually grab it, that's a bearish SMT right there. So bearish SMT right there. And then let's go over here on like 15-minute here. All right, so bearish SMT there, and then I entered off of a 5-minute inverse for value gap, as if I can find it, inverse for value gap right there. So that was pretty much my entry, and then we broke structure, we rallied, and the same thing happened again because I take these trades like I want to say an hour apart, and that's the same thing happened. Couldn't place my stop order, loss, and it would let me put it down here. A couple times it failed, so I was like, all right, dang, same problem's happening. It does finally set, and then as soon as we rallied, I wanted to move it to like I want to say like somewhere like right here. The thing would not set, so same thing again. My screen kind of froze. I couldn't move my stop loss, and I couldn't set it. So then, that's why I kind of sold as soon as it would let me. All right, so um, let's pretty much get into some motivation here. All right, y'all probably find yourself trying to asking how are y'all trying to succeed in trading here. So a lot of people when they want to get into trading, well, a lot of people that watch my channel obviously want to get into trading. So a lot of y'all people are just kind of like asking for. A lot of people in my space are asking how to make online money, and probably a lot of y'all are trying to asking how can I find success in online money here, because a lot of people in the space of online money, doesn't matter if it's trading, e-com, TikTok shop, all y'all probably have a 7-figure brand behind y'all's name that y'all want to start, but all y'all are asking, oh, how can I start? This is probably really hard. Execute on that. Take the steps to execute. And a lot of y'all, there's probably circumstances surrounding y'all's reason why y'all don't want to start. But I promise you, if you can find a way to start, please, Please execute on those 7-figure thoughts behind what y'all want to do. I promise it'll pay off in the long run, because a lot of people were making fun of me trading. A lot of people were pretty much hating on me, and I did not care, and I wanted to execute. And family was like, "What are you doing?" And I was like, "This is what I want to do, and this does not align with our family values here." They wanted me to go to school, go to school, get a job, and then once I graduate, go to college. I'm like, I don't want to do that. So I wanted to execute on something that I am proud of and I know how to do. And it has worked out tremendously for me. And I'm seriously appreciative for the people that believe in me, because it'll pay off in the long run. And I'm hoping I can say the same for you as well. So please execute. I don't care if it's trading, e-com, TikTok shop, anything online money, becoming a YouTuber. I don't care what it is. Please execute on those ideas, because I guarantee you the pain of regret hurts a lot worse when you're 40, 50, and you have those kids to tell you, why is that guy rich? And it's the pain of regret is going to hurt a lot. So please execute on those thoughts and execute on the values that you have, because I know down the line, if you didn't, you would have been thinking about your 18 and your 20-year-old selves. Why did I not execute on those thoughts that I had back then? I'm pretty sure I could have executed it, because it's not as hard as I thought it was. So I hope y'all can take a lot from this motivational speech that I just had here, because I promise you, if you do, I'm serious. I'm like speaking from the bottom of my heart here. Please execute on those thoughts. I have a lot of people that hated on me. I know I'm kind of looping this, but still, I promise you, you have the power and the willpower to do it here. If I can do it, just ask yourself, why can't you? You have ambition. You have goals behind that last name of yours. Like the Bruce Wayne edit. He was Alfred was talking about, it's your father's name. Please have some empathy, have some stride behind that last name of yours. Come on, I know y'all have 7-figure brands that y'all want to build, or y'all want to be athletes. I don't care what it is. Please execute on those thoughts. Please execute on them. They will pay off. I promise you. I know you have willpower. I know you have strength behind that name of yours. All right. So I'm going to end off on that high note there. I know it was about 3 minutes of rambling, but please take that to heart. I know you got this. I know you do. All right, guys. I'm going to catch y'all in the next one. Thank you.